JET JJ-6HHBT Benchtop Jointer Helical Cutterhead. Honest proof it kills tear out. You run a beautiful board through your joiner, flip it over, and there it is. Ugly diagonal tear out ripping across the grain like the wood personally despises you. You sand it, it comes back, you adjust the blades, still there. Type guilty if you have ruined expensive hardwood on a machine that was supposed to help. Sound familiar, or is that just your shop talking? Every pass on dull, straight blades is suffocating your craft, one compromised board at a time. The noise, the snipe, the sharpening appointments with someone who charges by the minute, it accumulates invisibly until you stop enjoying the build entirely. What if control was actually simple? One upgrade, zero compromise. Stay right here, because what comes next genuinely rewires how you think about jointing wood forever. Then I put on the JET 6-inch benchtop jointer helical cutterhead JJ-6HHBT, and everything got stupidly quiet. Not just acoustically quiet, though independent testing confirms the helical cutting action runs over 50% quieter than straight knives. I mean, the chaos in my shop just stopped. 6 superpowers nobody puts in the brochure. First, the 14 four-sided carbide inserts slice wood fibers with a shearing action that leaves surfaces so smooth they feel almost slick straight off the table. No sandpaper required. Second, figured woods like curly maple and bird's eye birch come through with virtually zero tear out. Third, blade maintenance disappears entirely. Each insert rotates to a fresh edge when dull, delivering 40 times longer life than traditional steel knives. Fourth, the all-cast iron fence locks square and stays there permanently. Fifth, the internal blower manages dust without a shop vac running. Sixth, 10,000 RPM consistency on standard 115-volt household power. 2:47 a.m., client deadline in 3 hours, I was completely cooked. Figured walnut tearing out on every pass, until I rotated one single carbide insert and ran it clean. Silent. Done. Don't just pick any benchtop jointer. Make sure it has a true helical cutter head so you never waste expensive hardwood on tear out and dull blade drama again. Nobody talks about the 45-degree positive stop fence. That setting alone handles bevel jointing that used to require 3 jigs and a prayer. Stack this proof until doubt physically cannot stand up in the room. Hours saved on blade sharpening translate directly to clarity gained in your workflow, which translates to performance that doubles your output, which produces finished surfaces that genuinely shut people up when you show them. Here is the sacred pentagon of proof. Expert analysts confirm the JJ-6HHBT delivers glass-smooth surfaces that often eliminate the need for subsequent sanding operations entirely. That is not marketing language. That is documented test language from independent sources. Woodworking influencer early adopters called the cutterhead significantly upgraded versus Wahuda and Rikon after direct hands-on comparison. Cold data. Carbide inserts last up to 40 times longer than traditional high-speed steel knives, with 4 fully usable cutting edges per insert before any replacement is needed. Amazon verified buyer wrote directly, "Productivity and accuracy in my shop just went up to the next level. No tear out, ran 4 solid pecan posts through it without a single bog." I personally watched a woodworker run curly maple that had destroyed 2 previous joiners and walk away genuinely confused by how clean the surface looked straight off the machine. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for 0 tear out, 2 for blade life, 3 for quiet operation. The number one objection I hear constantly: it is expensive for a benchtop joiner. Here is the devastating counter. You will spend more on sharpening appointments and ruined lumber inside 2 years than the entire price difference represents. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Drop your biggest joiner frustration in the comments right now. The JET 6-inch benchtop jointer helical cutterhead, JJ-6HHBT, gives you true professional-grade helical performance inside a compact benchtop machine that runs on the exact power you already have in your shop today. Join the woodworkers who quietly upgraded their entire workflow with one single, well-researched decision. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I am genuinely not letting you miss this. It only takes seconds to see if it fits. Your wood deserves a cleaner cut than it has been getting.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.